Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to change the language in Snapchat. Write if my solution helped you, if you managed to do so. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments, and I will surely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Snapchat. Next, we need to click with you on your account. In the upper right corner, click Settings. Here we scroll down and find the tab called Language. And it says that in the application itself to change the language is impossible. To change, you need to go to the standard settings of our phone. Click Go to Settings, get into the settings. Here there's a location, contact phone, microphone, camera, and at the very bottom there is language. Click here. Now you lead. There is English, and in order for us with you to change to another language, we just put a check mark, select any language. Scroll down to the bottom. After that, just exit, close Snapchat, re-enter it. And then our Snapchat is updated to the new language. That's how easy it can be done. Let me know if my solution helped you. Did it work for you? If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me likes. Goodbye.